Rome. Rome is known as the city of legends. It is the source of civilizations that combine history and culture with a great impact on the history of the entire world. Rome is located on the bank of the Tiber River in central Italy. Rome is the capital of Italy, the seat of the Italian government, and the country's largest and most populous city. Rome has a long history, more than 2,500 years. It also has a central place in the history of the Roman Empire. It is considered one of the founding cities of Western civilization. It has been called the Eternal City. It is an international city and is known all over the world. The historic city center is on the UNESCO list of World Heritage List. Rome is home to the Vatican City. The majority of the population of the city of Rome follow the Roman Catholic Church. The city of Rome was considered an important center for religion and pilgrimage for several centuries. Colosseum. The Colosseum is one of the main attractions of Rome. It is a world-famous monument that shows the greatness of the Roman Empire, which is one of the most powerful empires in history. The Colosseum is a popular destination. It is a large theater where heroes were watched fighting predators, and many executions and wrestling battles were also seen in it. The Pantheon. The Pantheon is one of the best Roman ruins still standing. The Pantheon is the only archaeological landmark of the Roman civilization that still retains its original shape and form. The Romans built a temple to honor their gods. Roman Forum. The Roman Forum was the seat of government elections and a center for public speeches. Many popular ceremonies and public trials were held there. St. Peter's Church. St. Peter's Church is also known as the Papal Basilica of St. Peter. St. Peter's Basilica in Vatican City is the largest church in Europe and one of the most sacred and revered churches. St. Peter's Church is an example of Renaissance architecture. It contains a large number of unique pieces of art. Vatican Palace. Tourists come to Rome to see the precious art collections. Many drawings and statues are displayed in the Vatican Palace, which contains unique paintings by famous artists such as Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo and Raphael. Sant'Angelo Castle or Hadrian's Mausoleum. St. Angelo Castle was initially built as a mausoleum for the Roman Emperor Hadrian. But then it was used as a fortress in the Middle Ages. Trevi Fountain. The Trevi Fountain is one of the most famous landmarks in Rome. The fountain that is famous for making wishes come true. Piazza Navona. Piazza Navona, formerly known as Competition Arena, where was the place for competitions. Now it is a great place to do different festivals and celebrations. Piazza di Spagna. Piazza di Spagna characterized by the Spanish Steps, which is one of the most important tourist attractions in Rome. National Monument to Vittorio Emanuele II. It is a monument built in Rome in 1925 to honor Victor Emmanuel II, the first king of a united Italy. I hope you enjoyed this short trip to Rome. Thank you for following up.